Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty rituals, and for good reason. This vibrant yellow spice is packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your skin. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to rejuvenate your complexion, why not try a turmeric face mask? To make a simple turmeric face mask, you will need just a few ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. Start by mixing 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps to exfoliate and brighten the skin. Adding a teaspoon of honey can enhance the mask's moisturizing effects and help to soothe irritated skin. Once you have combined these ingredients into a smooth paste, apply the mixture to your clean, dry face. Be sure to avoid the delicate area around your eyes.
Allow the mask to sit on your skin for about 15 minutes, or until it has dried completely. As the mask dries, you may notice a slight tightening sensation on your skin. This is normal and indicates that the mask is working its magic. When the time is up, rinse off the mask with warm water and gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. You'll immediately notice the brightening effect turmeric has on your complexion, leaving you with a natural glow.
Over time, regular use of turmeric face masks can help to reduce acne, minimize the appearance of dark spots, and even out your skin tone. Remember to always do a patch test before applying any new product to your face to ensure that you don't have any adverse reactions. And if you have any pre-existing skin conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist before trying out new skincare routines. So give turmeric a try and see how it can transform your skin naturally.